More people are getting coronavirus vaccines in Kansas and Missouri. The numbers are rising. According to the CDC, more than 29% of Kansans have at least one dose of a vaccine. In Missouri, it's 24.9%. 28.2% of all Americans have gotten at least one shot. And the Kansas City VA is doing what it can this week to build on those numbers. KBC9's Martin Augustine is live at a vaccine clinic for all veterans, whether or not they're enrolled in VA healthcare. Now, Martin, they're opening it up even further. Good morning.
They certainly are. Now, today and Thursday here at the KCVA's Honor Annex, an outpatient clinic here at I-70 in Sterling, not only may any veteran walk in here to get a COVID-19 shot, their spouses and caregivers can walk in here too and get a COVID-19 vaccination. Again, this clinic is for all veterans. Enrollment in VA healthcare is not required. The clinic will be open from 8:30 to 4:30 today and Thursday, and while walk-ins are welcome certainly here, the VA says calling the number you see to make an appointment guarantees you a vaccine dose. That number, 816-922-2619. Again, 816-922-2619. At the start of this week, the VA had 2,400 doses of the Pfizer vaccine ready to go here, and this would be the first dose vaccine version. So again, this would be the first shot of the two-shot program with that Pfizer vaccine, something to keep in mind. Now, this is the first vaccine clinic hosted by the Kansas City VA since the Save Lives Act was signed into law a few days ago. The main mission of that piece of legislation is to make sure that all veterans are vaccinated for COVID-19. Reporting live, Martin Augustine, KBC9 News.
All right, thanks so much, Martin. And take a look at your screen if you have a moment. These community health centers will get more money to expand vaccinations. They are all in Missouri. Congressman Emanuel Cleaver says the Kansas City area will get nearly $21 million from the newly signed American Rescue Plan. Money will also help pay for more coronavirus testing and treatment. Also, Cass County will have 2 drive-through vaccination events for eligible Missourians this week. The clinics will take place at Ray Peck High School on Friday and Saturday from 8 to 5. You have to have an appointment. You can sign up on the Cass County Health Department's website. If you don't have internet access, you can still call the department directly, and that number is 816-380-8425. And as more people get vaccinated, businesses are starting to see more customers. Well, Los Cabos Mexican Grill and Cantina in Independence, the general manager says it is a welcome sight. Of course, there are still safety precautions in place like social distancing and mask requirements. But workers and health officials say the goal is to stay the course, keep going forward without taking any steps backward.
None of us want to go backwards. Backwards is not good. It hurts our community, it hurts our economy, and we're going to get there, just a little more patience.
We're really excited about that happening so we can continue to serve our public and to meet their needs because, as we talked about, they're very excited to get out.
Well, the health department in Independence hasn't yet set a date to let businesses allow 100% capacity. Leaders will review the rules in place next week. And despite record vaccination numbers, coronavirus cases are spiking, and our nation's top health officials are concerned about what could happen if our country lets up too soon. Jared Hill is in our Washington bureau with a closer look.
This morning, we're expecting the World Health Organization to put out its official study on how the pandemic started. Meanwhile, despite positive advancements, American health experts are concerned that the virus could be due for a rebound. Worried about yet another wave.
I'm going to lose the script.
CDC Director Rochelle Walensky is making a plea to the nation.
I'm going to reflect on the recurring feeling I have of impending doom.
This candid moment as cases, hospitalizations, and deaths tick up across the country.
We have settled at a very high level of daily deaths, nearly 1,000.
Monday, Arizona also became the latest state to revoke its mask mandate. President Biden urged all of them to reconsider.
Please, this is not politics. Reinstate the mandate if you let it down.
Amid the warnings, though, there's also good news. A new CDC study shows the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines work really well in the real world, not just clinical trials. 90% effective at preventing COVID infection after both doses, 80% after just one. The White House says by April 19th, at least 90% of adults will be eligible for a vaccine, and there will be double the number of pharmacies giving them out.
I know you all so badly want to be done. We are just almost there, but not quite yet.
New York State is now the first to roll out a vaccine passport. It's a smartphone app with a QR code. The The White House says that it's not planning on doing anything like that nationwide, although they are helping to build guidelines related to things like privacy as well as efficacy. Reporting in Washington, Jared Hill.
And we are keeping track of reopening plans, case numbers, and the vaccine rollout. To stay up to date, download our KMBC 9 mobile app. You can also visit KMBC.com and click on the coronavirus tab.